Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm the download driver Lexmark XC4150 for Syria. You thought here for the driver to look. So that's why I'm search the PCL website for you. I'm like download for the PCL website. The PCL website not a virus, easy to download for the PCL website. And you see for maybe this official website, you click here. See for official website the Lexmark, and click here for the driver to look. Click here for the title. This here for search by model print, and this here for the automatic cure operating system and my operating system for Windows 10, and this here for support your driver for me, and this here for the Windows driver and download the package for me your support. If you need download uh, your driver, you click here. This here for the driver operating system for the Mac, for the Windows, for the Linux, for the Linux. I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version. You click here. This here for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, and this here for Mac 10 or your operating system for Mac. I am testing for Mac 13. This here for Mac 13 support, and looking here. This here for the language English support. Language new language English support, and this here for the date release, a new date release support for driver, and this here for Mac 13. If you need to load, you click here. You click here for the title driver, and this here for driver print. This here for match the language support, and this here for the language English, uh, Japan, and Chinese, the Germany, and Russian, and Romanian. This here for match the language for. And if you need to download, you click here. You click here for the driver download. Okay, and this here for support your driver printer. If you need change the operating system, you click here. I am changing the operating system for the Linux, and this here for Linux version. You click here. This here for the new the Linux version, and this here for the Fedora new Fedora version 27, 28, 29. This here for the 13.2, 13.3, 13.6, 13.7. The uh, the for the Fedora version, and this here for the Debian, and Debian 8.12, 8.11, 8.11, and this here for 8.0, Debian 7.0, and this here for Debian 11, Debian 11. Okay, this here for the OpenSUSE and Red Hat, and this here for the Open SUSE Linux. This here for you do much the version your the Linux operating system. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows, and I'm sure I'm changing for Windows, and this here for the Windows version. You click here, and this here for the new version for the Windows 11 support your driver, and this here for Windows 10 support your driver, Windows 7 your driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for Windows Server support your driver. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows 11 new version for the Windows. And click here for the Windows 11 and looking that release, and this here for a new that release support your Windows 11, and this here for the language English, and this here for the type your driver. And this here for your driver print and scan only. You click here. This here for the print and scan only new version for the Windows 11 new update. And I'm recommendation for you to download for the package. This here for universal package support your print, support your scanner, support your printer, and this here for maybe support your dual software firmware for the Lexmark printer, and this here for pack 2, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and this here for the package I recommendation for you. You click here, and you click here button start download, and this here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC detect USB cable printer, and this why if you finish the download. If you finish the download, you will click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you finish is here for the type automatic. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link, note below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.